Forgotten village. Once upon a time, there was a small village surrounded by quiet mountains. This village was called the Village of the Wind, and the villagers lived peaceful days helping each other. However, there was a mysterious legend in this village. It was when the wind wakes up, the village is forgotten. One night, a storm hit the village. Strong winds blew, and the villagers worked hard to reinforce wooden tatami mats and walls. That night, Rio, a young man in the village, found a mysterious light in the back of the shrine that has been passed down from generation to generation. The light was emitted from the spirit of the wind, the guardian deity of the village. Guided by the light, Rio stepped into the shrine. Then the spirit of the wind appeared there and said, "You who awaken me, respond to the test of truth." Surprised, Rio decided to be tested to protect his village. The ordeal was to evoke forgotten memories of the villagers. Rio looked around the memories of the villagers in his dreams and learned what they looked like when they were happy. Among them, he learned the history of the village and the importance of bonds that have been passed down from generation to generation. After completing the trial, Rio returned to the shrine and told the spirit, "We can't leave our village forgotten. We will cherish our history and memories, and build the future together." The spirit of the wind listened to Rio's words and blew a new wind into the village. It was a wind of hope to move forward to the future while cherishing the past. The next morning, the village woke up again, and a new bond was born in the hearts of the villagers. In this way, the Wind Village was reborn from a forgotten village to a new village full of hope. And Rio's courage will continue to be passed down as a legend of the village. It is said that the spirit of the wind also occasionally visits the village and strengthens their bond while watching over the people. The village is still quiet and powerful, breathing with the wind.